Well, hello, gears and girls. My name is Gajitz, and this is Feed the Beast Infinity Evolved Skyblock. So, this is a new series that I'm wanting to get started in. We have our own server. If you'd like to jump on and join, all the information is down in the description. But this is episode 1. So let's have a look. We have our nice little spawn area here, which happens to be a nice little airship. And we have a few things that you can see and look and explore when you come to the server. There's a nether portal over there, the end portal over there, and just the basic rules as usual. And how to start your island. Nothing too great, nothing too crazy, because it's just for fun. Alright, so to get started, we need to type /is. So let's get on to that. So /is, and bam, straight to our first island. Now, what I'm going to do straight away here is I'm going to claim my chunks. Well, this looks like it's smack bang in the middle of a chunk. Let's make you a... Hang on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's go and load all 9 chunks. Crazy ass music too. Because this looks like it's the middle of this one. Or close enough to. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, that saves a little bit of trial and error. But this is our world, the usual start. So we have the usual starting items. I'll keep these spawn eggs right from the start, just in case we need it. What biome are we actually in, though? We are in an ice, in an ocean biome, so we should still be able to. I'll keep them just in case. If we don't need them, we'll throw them over the edge. But I'm going to start the hard way, and we're not going to need this. Bye bye, or this. Bye bye. So we're going to be going the long way round, because why not? I want to see if we can do this without the easy start at the beginning. So this is, I think, a 1 deep. Yep. So we want to chuck our tree down and get it going. So let's bone meal it up and see what we get. Come on. There we go. Alright. So, like usual, we're just going to be punching trees, getting what we need. Oh, we've already got a sapling. Nice. Smashing all of this. Hopefully we get another sapling. Oh, 2. Ah, and they all fall off that way. That's so the luck. Alright, so we'll chuck that guy down, and we want to craft this up into planks, into a crafting table, into a crafting station, and then halve it. And then we'll take this guy and chuck it. I'll always do that. I want it on the lower level. Once we craft, I'll go down and get it. So we'll go like that and grab this guy. And can we get you on the lower level this time? There we go. And now let's see if we can get this without losing it. Yes, nice. Chuck you there. And I'm just going to expand this platform a wee bit with what little wood we've got. And then get back to growing, I guess. Now, we are at Y level 61. I want to be up at least at 64. So, we're probably going to... This isn't going to be our bottom level, because we'll just build up. So 61. So, yeah, we can just build up a couple blocks thick. Oh, yeah. Actually, we'll wait till we get cobblestone for that. But anyway, it's just going to be a bunch of this. So, when we come back, hopefully, we'll have a little bit more of a platform. Alright, we'll see you on the other side. Okay, well, welcome back, guys and girls. I just did a whole freaking thing with my mic turned off. But anyway, so we made a barrel from that. That was just stupid. And we infested a leaf with a silkworm, one of these guys. And in order to get that, we made a crook from over here. So if you get 4 sticks, I'll just make another one because we're going to probably need one more. So 4 sticks, and then you place them like so, and you get yourself a crook. And then you crook down your leaves, and you have a chance of getting a silkworm. We managed to get 2, so I chucked 1 in here. And then you put it into the tree, let it infest away, and it's all good. Now, when we tore up all our dirt from down below, because we're now on a higher level, we lost 2 pieces, so I had to get those 2 pieces back. Well, I didn't have to, but I wanted to get those 2 pieces back. So we made a barrel. Now, a barrel is pretty easy. It's just 6 wood either side with a plank, not there at the bottom. You can see an oak barrel. We're going to need a few more of these, so I might as well make one. I should make probably 2. Now, these 2, I'm not going to cover like the one I have over here. So as you can see, I've got a slab sitting above this, which is there because I want to prevent rain from getting in this barrel. Now, we threw our water over the edge, so that means we need to wait for rain, and then the rain will fill up these 2 barrels, but not this one because of the plank. And then we will have some water, or 2 things of water, to create an infinite water source if we don't use them. But we'll probably end up using them way before that. There's also another couple of ways to get water, which once we have a few more resources, we'll have a look at that as well. But like I said before, I realized my mic was dying, or like that my mic wasn't even freaking on. We are going to wait for this tree to infest and hopefully get enough silk from it to make ourselves a bed, because we need to sleep through the night because trees don't grow at nighttime. And I want to keep as much bone meal as possible for later on, because we're going to need it later on. Anyway, yeah, sorry again that I didn't have my mic on. That's just a fully noob thing to do. Anyway, we'll see you on the other side of this. And there we go. The whole tree now is infested. And I remembered to turn my mic on. So what we do now is we just cook this and hope that we catch all the string that comes off of it. The other thing is, because there's fast leaf decay on, you want to break the outside first and work your way into the middle. Otherwise, if you break the outside, you'll lose these guys over here. But that's 6, 7. Let's jump up here and jump on and put the rest of this down. How much more can we get? Come on. And punch the rest of this down. So 20 odd, that's pretty good. If I do say so myself. So whatever that is left on the ground as well. Say it probably should be about 24 if I remember correctly, from like an average sized tree. Oh, and some more silkworms, nice. How much? Oh, 25, so close. Alright, well, we'll chuck the silkworms in there. We'll grab our 4 saplings. Now, I'm going to plant all of these and then in the hopes of getting something out of it. But what we want to do with this is we want to make 3 pieces of wool. 1, 2, 3. And we want to grab all of that. And we want to make ourselves a bed. Voila. And we'll chuck the rest of the string and we'll keep the crook. But our bed needs to go onto 4 blocks under your bed and 2 beside it in order for it to register as a bed basically. So actually, you know what? Oh, nice, grown. We might make ourselves some half slabs and just chuck them on top for now. And voila, our bed. So let's knock this down and then we can sleep through the night now and hopefully speed this up. But I'm going to see how much we can get. And we need to get a fairly big platform here and we need to start getting onto some more composting and stuff. Because we can't rely solely on saplings, but I want a little bit more of a platform before we do anything crazy. Nice. There's those 2 down. So the other thing that we need to make is a hammer. Now we have our chicken hammer, which is this guy, but it's only designed really for breaking blocks. And we want our hammer for breaking oak. Because again, shears don't work on leaves in this mod pack, so it's pointless getting shears. And also the reason why I've planted these so close is because we need sawdust, which we can use in our composter for composting and getting dirt, which the more dirt, the more trees, the more trees, the more wood, and so forth. So we need to get a ton of trees and everything. Look at that, another one's just grown right beside us. So I'm going to get as much dirt and stuff on the ground as possible so that we can get all of that sorted. And we'll be back once we have something good to talk about. Looks like I lost a few saplings. Okay, so it's nighttime because I really don't want these trees here to grow right now. Because I'm wanting to get some more string, and they kept growing and cutting into the tree and taking it out. But I want to try something new from X-Compressum. So if we take all four of these crooks and then we place them back in the same order as you make a crook, you get a compressed crook. Now this guy has half the durability, but is much faster at breaking the leaves, like crazy fast. So hopefully we'll get enough from this tree to get what I want to finish off today's episode. Let's see, 14, that should almost be about enough, I think. Shouldn't need too much more, but we might as well take the rest of the tree down anyway. Yeah, see what I mean by if you hit the inside, they just sort of disappear on you, and you have less of a chance of getting whatever drops. But I think we have enough anyway. Oh. And of course you land right on the edge, don't you? Jeez. And I'm going to take this guy back and place him down over here. And how did you get all the way over there, dude? And chuck down another piece of, another sapling. Let's see if we can parkour this. I'm terrible at parkour, so we probably won't be able to. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we made it. Only just. And there we go. Take this guy out as well. Boom. Nice. So, what I want to make now is if we get our string and we do it 2 times, we get silky mesh. And if we just chuck our silky mesh there, grab some of these, and I only need 2. Thank you very much. And we chuck this here and this here and this here. And we have our oak sieve. So that means now we can, no, I'm not putting you away. I'm putting you away and grabbing you. We can sieve some dirt and hopefully get some cobblestone. There we go. Straight away, 6 cobblestone, 9. Very nice. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making dirt, sifting dirt, chopping down trees, rinse and repeat until we have enough of what we need to move on. So, and then last thing, get your stone, put it in the grid, and you get your cobblestone. Sweet. Well, if you liked the video today, guys, don't forget to hit that follow and like button. And if you want to join the server, all the information is down in the description below. And we will see you next time. Alright, guys, have a good one.